Hey friend, welcome back. Today we're going to be decorating for Christmas in my dining area and in my kitchen. To start off, I'm going to replace this redwood forest market sign that I always have in my dining area, and I'm going to replace it with this gingerbread bakery sign that I made using my Cricut. I am going with a gingerbread man and house theme and also a village theme with my dining and kitchen decor.
With a whisper, little things that I wanna hear.
I like using greenery to fill in spots like these cubby holes and just to add interest.
When they see you holding me so near, I see snowflakes on the chimneys.
I got this peg rack during the fall time, and I like decorating it so far with Farmhouse kitchen decor.
Song, even church bells sing along, and the children making angels in the snow. Oh, what a gift to be given. How lucky can this old heart be? And I fall.
If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Stephanie, and I like to make a lot of videos on home decor, DIYs, and frugal homemaking. If that is something that interests you, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button so you become part of the Considered Odd Joy community. And if you're enjoying this video so far, please give it a thumbs up. It just helps my videos here on YouTube. Last year I really got into collecting Santa mugs, and I wanted to really add to my collection, so I went to Hobby Lobby and bought a lot of their little mini Santa mugs and a lot of their regular size mugs as well.
Tell me again with a whisper, little things that I wanna hear.
Now I'm going to be decorating the shelves in the hutch, and I am just going to try to create balance and just clusters that are in threes, so that way it just looks visually appealing without looking cluttered.
Listening to this song playing on. It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little prison shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on. From this Christmas on, it's gonna.
The gingerbread houses here are actually the white village houses from Target's Dollar Spot that came in a pack of 2. I painted them brown and added puffy paint to act as royal icing, so they look more like gingerbread houses.
We forgot what you came
wanted to decorate this bottom portion with more kitchen tools for decoration, just so that it adds to the effect like this is Mrs. Claus's kitchen and she's ready to bake.
From this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree. From this Christmas on. From this Christmas on. From this Christmas on.
To add decor to the side of the hutch, I used this hanging basket and just added some Dollar Tree picks along with some other random frosted picks and added it with a command hook to the side of the hutch. To add a final touch to the hutch, I'm going to add this village garland that I got from Target's Dollar Spot this year. Now onto my table. I have the world's smallest table that fits exactly in this little spot, and because of it I have to be very mindful in the decor pieces that I put on top of this table. I have to make sure that it fits and everybody's plate fits, and also that it's easy to take off so we don't get anything dirty when we're eating here. So I didn't put a whole lot of decor. I kept it rather simple, and I didn't find a runner that I liked this year. So what I did is I went to Target and saw the large kitchen napkins from Hearth and Hand, and they were like $3.99, and I purchased one of them and folded it in half and used that as my center runner. I've never done this, but I saw it in a Pinterest post and I really liked it and wanted to give it a try. I used a blanket and threw it over one of the dining chairs and added a pillow that I DIY'd.
Little gingerbread Santas, there's nothing left to chance. This year, Santa's coming home to me.
Thrifted a lot of Christmas tins this year, and I wanted a way to display them, so I thought they would be perfect in this small thin shelf that I have above my little coffee station.
Spreading all over town, but of course it's not true.
I've never decorated a tea tray before, but I wanted to give it a go this year, so I got a couple things from Target's Dollar Spot to fill it in, and I also got the tier tray from the Target's Dollar Spot as well. And I'm loving this little candle. It actually smells really good for just being $3, and it says, "I just want to bake stuff and watch Christmas movies." I had started decorating in the kitchen using this garland around my kitchen window by the sink, and then shortly I got sick and wasn't able to finish, so that's why I have a different outfit. To decorate my peg racks under my kitchen shelves, I'm going to add a first layer, whether it be a kitchen towel or a sign, and then add something visual on top of each part.
I'm walking around feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where, don't know how.
To decorate the side of the counter, I'm using this cookie house and a cake stand next to it. And to cover the outlet, I'm using this cutting board and a Santa teapot mug and a candle right next to it, and inside I'm adding a flocked tree. Now I'm going to be decorating my shelves. I don't like to see white or empty spaces, so I'm using different decor items to cover those spaces and make it feel full. The can here is actually a painting can. It's a DIY from many years ago, and I stained it to give it that rustic vibe, and I printed a label and added it on there, but I didn't want the label to be seen, so I turned it around, and inside I added a Target's little tree, and they didn't fit all the way, so I just nipped off the top portion to make it fit. Here I'm showing you that this is a gift tin that I got at Hobby Lobby for $1 and change, and I used it to add this nice little Christmas tree inside of it, and it makes it look vintage.
Walking around, you and me, Christmas time's got the best of me. Then it starts to snow in our hearts. We both know that we're falling in love.
For the final touch, I'm adding this candy cane fabric garland from Target's Dollar Spot this year.
Falling in love. It's true, this part of the year, something in store for us. We're falling in love. We're falling in love. No, it's the time of the year when something's in store for us. 'Cause we're falling in love. That's right.
This coffee pot is so ugly. It's been with us ever since we got married. It was a hand-me-down from his parents, and so we've just never changed it, but we are wanting to change it up soon.
From July up till now, don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize that I can see it in your eyes, so it's true.
On this side of the shelves, the bottom portion is used to actually house our cups and plates that we use to eat off of. So the top portion is really where I can decorate. So because the other side was heavy with decorations, I wanted to put this cake stand up here to kind of balance things out.
Has something in store for us. We're falling in love. Summer ended, but we did not. We started something. This thing that we got grew stronger. Each day we're together all the way. Oh, we're falling in love.
So on this section, you can really see the gingerbread theme really come alive. I'm using this thrifted copper tin to act as a base for my little Christmas tree here. And I purchased some gingerbread garland from Hobby Lobby and wrapped the Christmas tree all around it. I wanted to put some more gingerbread like cooking kitchen decor on this Christmas tree, but Target's Dollar Spot was raided and they haven't gotten any back in stock, so I missed out on those little decor items for the tree. So I only found this little gingerbread man on the tin there and this rolling pin at Hobby Lobby, and the rest are from Hobby Lobby as well. I bought this little candle looking light at Hobby Lobby, and I like it because it has a sensor, so it senses when it's light out, it doesn't turn on, and when it gets dark, it'll turn on its own. So I just thought that added a nice vintage touch. To add a little bit of Christmas color, I bought these spatulas at Target and added them to my utensil little container. I added some command hooks at the top of the cabinets where my microwave is and added some wreaths, and to add a little pop of red I added these berries. I found this kitchen mat at Walmart for $10 and I thought it went well with my theme in the kitchen.
Feeling alone, kinda misty, waiting.
I hope you enjoyed this video and got motivated and got some fun ideas on how to decorate for your kitchen and dining space this Christmas. And just have fun with it. That's what in the end Christmas is all about. If you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you here at the Considered All Joy community, and you can do so by subscribing on the red button down below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me know that you enjoy these type of videos, and I hope that you have a blessed week. I'll see you again in the next one. Bye bye.
And the stars up above are smiling.